Unity editor can be a little bit tricky for beginners. In this video, I will share some cool tips that I use when I work with Unity editor. Let's add some game objects and assets to the scene. To rotate the scene, hold the right mouse button and drag the mouse. To pan around the scene, keep holding the mouse middle button or the mouse wheel and drag the mouse. To align the camera to what you see in the scene, click the main camera, then click game object from the menu and click align to view. So this will make the camera in sync with what you see in the scene. To precisely align objects, we can use the snap by vertex mode. For that, click the V key on your keyboard and then drag the object by its vertex to the other object's vertex. So this will precisely align the objects. So I will just add some boxes and I will again show you how you can align using snap by vertex. So let's add one more cube and align it. I'll move this up a little bit and align by vertex. To focus on an object in the scene, select the object in the hierarchy and press the F key on the keyboard.